What does the recent surge in Bitcoin's price mean for the cryptocurrency industry? Is it a sign of a long-term trend or just another short-term bubble? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the factors driving the recent rally in Bitcoin's price and explore the challenges and opportunities facing the cryptocurrency industry. From institutional adoption to regulatory uncertainty and the threat of cyberattacks, we'll examine the key issues shaping the future of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So, buckle up and join us on this exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin and beyond. Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the recent surge in Bitcoin's price, which broke above the $30,000 mark for the first time since June 2022. This is a significant milestone in the volatile history of the cryptocurrency, which reached its all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April 2021 before experiencing a sharp decline and months of consolidation. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind Bitcoin's recent rally and the factors that have contributed to its growing adoption by institutions and individuals alike. We'll also examine the challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry, including regulatory uncertainty and the threat of cyberattacks. Bitcoin, the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's price surge above $30,000 in July 2022 marked a significant milestone in the volatile history of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin reached its all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April 2021 before experiencing a sharp decline and months of consolidation. Since then, the cryptocurrency has been unable to break through the $30,000 resistance level until July 2022. The recent rally in Bitcoin's price is attributed to several factors, including the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class by institutional investors and large corporations. Major financial institutions, such as JP Chase and Goldman Sachs, have shown interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by offering their clients access to cryptocurrency trading and investment products. Additionally, the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies by individuals and businesses has also contributed to the surge in demand for Bitcoin. With the pandemic accelerating the shift to online transactions, many people have turned to cryptocurrencies as an alternative payment method. Moreover, the use of cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation and a store of value has become increasingly popular in countries with unstable economies. However, the cryptocurrency industry still faces significant challenges, including regulatory uncertainty and the threat of cyberattacks. Regulators around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which has led to varying levels of adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. China, for instance, has taken a strict approach to cryptocurrencies, banning mining and trading activities within its borders. Moreover, the risk of cyberattacks targeting digital wallets and cryptocurrency exchanges remains a significant concern for the industry. In recent years, there have been several high-profile hacks of cryptocurrency exchanges, resulting in the theft of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies. Despite these challenges, the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies remains optimistic. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to offer a secure, decentralized alternative to traditional payment systems and currencies. Moreover, the blockchain technology that underpins cryptocurrencies has numerous potential use cases beyond financial transactions, including supply chain management, identity verification, and data storage. In conclusion, Bitcoin's recent rally above $30,000 for the first time since June 2022 is a positive sign for the cryptocurrency industry. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies by institutions and individuals alike indicates the long-term potential of this emerging asset class. As the industry continues to mature and evolve, it will be interesting to see how cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology transform the financial and technological landscape. And that concludes our discussion on Bitcoin's recent rally and the factors driving the growth of the cryptocurrency industry. While there are still many challenges to overcome, The increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies by institutions and individuals alike is a positive sign for the long-term potential of this emerging asset class. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.